Hi, let's review our last classes again. So, in the second class, I created public access method, client name, and same public access modifier, account type. Then I created a constructor using this keyword. And in the calling class, we created new bank instance, new class instance, initialized it, and we were able to put it on display because we have, due to public keyword, we have direct access to client name and to account type. Then, because you're having a direct access, you are able to reset it. You're able to reset values for client name and account type and to display it again. Let me run it. Actually, I'll minimize it to show you the whole class. I'm gonna run it again. Here initial values and here reset values. Initial, reset values. All this, I was able to get a direct access due to public keyword here. Let's do same with private. Add two same type classes, lecture 19a private, add main method, and add another class, lecture 19b private without main method. In new class, I'll create same data type variables. However, this time as private. And I'm gonna create a constructor as public method. Constructor should be public. Same as class name. However, with parameters. However, I'll make it like that. Where I'm going to call this method. Client name takes from C name value and this account type takes from A type value. Okay, I'm saving it and returning here. Here our scenario will be review private bank client data. Objective 1. Introduce private keyword. Objective 2. Implement get and set class methods. At this point, I'll place some comments. Placing some comments. Java language attributes, methods, and constructors access modifiers. We have public, private, default, protected. Public means that the code is accessible for all classes, and we've seen it in a previous lecture. Private means we're gonna review it now. That the code is accessible within a declared class using get and set methods. Default means that the code is accessible in the same package here. And protected means that the code is accessible in the same package and subclasses, whatever subclasses we will be creating. Now, let's create initializing class attributes. And here I'm going to reset for later. Reset class attribute values. Okay, right now I'll create a copy from this class. Here. Let's say class new as new and we need to initialize it. Here would be original, let's say. And here will be checking account type. Now I need to put it on display. Let's see how I can access. And here will be plus, and I'm supposed to reach it, right? And wrong, because it's private, I don't have access. So what to do now? Now we return here and we add get and set methods. For public access. Public string, we need to return it. Public is data type. Get client name. Get client name. And we will have to return client name. This one. Same will be for account type. And return account type. Create get methods. Now let's return here. You see where we're having them here. Get account type. I'm returning get account type and get client name. Now get client name, get, you see, client name, account type. Get client name. and this is good. Now let's place it. And here will be get account type. Get account type. Now let's run it. Very good. We were able to initialize and retrieve class values, class attribute values using get methods. Right here. Get. Now we need to set values. And I would like to reset it. Reset class attributes. However, we don't have a method, and that's why we need to create a set methods. Create set methods. Set values methods. Get values methods. Okay, let's create it. It sets, so it's gonna be void. Public void set client name. However, as set string, let's say I'm gonna be C name. And we're gonna apply this client name gets value from this CNAME parameter. Same will create for account type. Set account type. Set account type. Let's say it's gonna be a type. And this account type is going to take from a type values. Now I'm going to save it. I will minimize it. To show it once again what we've created. And I'm going to reset values. Reset values here. New class new set client name. Let's say new client name will be Tiger Lee. And same set account type would be savings. And it's gonna be resetting using set method. Resetting these values, which are private. Client name, account type. And we're gonna display it again. Let's run it or rerun. Exactly what we wanted. Initializing values. And reset values. Somewhere here there is a double line. Reset here. Okay. Very good. Now we learn how to utilize get and set method and to use it with private public access modifier for class attributes. Let's reset it once again. Again, it will be an account type would be wells. Let's clean it. Let's rerun it again. Very good. First one, checking. Second one, I'm supposed to, I didn't write it, okay, here. What did I say? Wells here. Rerun. Let's see. Checking, Tiger Lee. Checking, checking, checking. Once again, let me have here. There was a typo right here. I used the count type as a count type instead of a type. Very good. Now let us rerun it again. Now it's correct. Checking, savings, wells. To sum up, what did we learn today? Today we learn private keyword and how to create get and set methods specifically for private access modifier class values like client name, account type. Let me. See you in the next lecture.